What's up, everybody? Nick, First Class Home Inspections, over here in Gilbert, and up here in the attic, and found a couple things, common things that can happen over time. The house is 14 years old, so let's take a look. So we're checking insulation, we're checking framing structure, and you can see we've got a soft vent, so we're checking ventilation. But if you can see right there, let's see if I can focus. There's a little bit of gap in the insulation. So what happened is the wind and the storms has blown that insulation in at the edge. So now we have a gap in our insulation barrier. We go there. If we go over here, we have it there as well. So it might not seem like a lot, but it can cause a increase in your energy usage. So we're going to recommend that this be kind of replaced into those areas. Alrighty, we're going to quick find here. So that pipe right there is the water heater Flue pipe, so a gas water heater. And if you can see very well in the picture, I'm going to try to zoom in on it here. You can see the insulation is discolored around that. What that's telling me is that the roof flashing is not sealed properly, and we have moisture coming down the Flue pipe down into the insulation. So eventually that's going to work its way down into the drywall and cause damage. So we're going to call this out for repair because it can cause damage to the underlying materials. So we basically have a roof leak at the flashing. And so we want to make sure we have this addressed in our inspection report. For all your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspections.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you. So this house looks great in and out as far as most on the outside. Fresh paint, all this stuff. So these are the things that you can find in a home inspection that you're not going to see when you're looking around to buy the house. You're seeing all the nice, pretty stuff that's there, but my job is to find the defects that are going to cost you money in the long run. So give us a call, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspection.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to stay informed. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.